In this lesson, you will learn about polymers, polymerization, and classification of polymers. Before the 1930s, almost everything people saw or handled was made of materials that had been around since ancient times: stone, wool, metal, animal, and plant fibers. All of that changed in the era just before World War II, a big thanks to a brilliant young American chemist named Wallace Carothers, who lived between 1896 to 1937. Click to see more. The plane is made of polymer. Polymers are lightweight material, hence it is used to make the miniature of aeroplanes. Parachutes are usually made out of light, strong cloth, originally silk, now most commonly nylon, a polymer. Transplantation of heart. Polymers are used to make artificial heart and valves due to their structural stability and flexibility. How polymers have changed our world. Today, everything that we see and use is made of natural or synthetic material. How are they created? How can they be used? It is really fascinating how polymer has taken up all the measures of our life. The terms polymer and monomer were derived from the Greek roots. Poly means many, mono means one, mes or mero means parts. What are polymers? Polymers are macromolecules formed by the repeated linking of large number of small molecules called monomers. Now, as we know that polymers are made up of monomers, what is a monomer? Monomer is a micromolecule which combines with each other to form a polymer or building block units. Click on to know polymerization and its types. Polymerization is the process in which a large number of small molecules combine to give a macromolecule with or without elimination of small molecules like H2O, HCl, etc. 1,2-ethanediol combines with paraphthalic acid and forms dacron, that is, pterylene, with the elimination of water. Addition or chain growth polymerization. In this process, the polymer formed is an exact multiple of the original monomeric molecule. The monomer should contain one or more double bonds without elimination of any molecule. Condensation or step growth polymerization is obtained between polar groups containing monomers, but there is elimination of small molecules like H2O, HCl, etc. Copolymerization. In this process, two or more different monomers combine to form a high polymer. A high polymer has various properties like strength, rigidity, heat resistance, etc. Example: Buna-S rubber or styrene butadiene rubber is a copolymer formed from styrene and butadiene. The classification of polymers. Polymers are classified into natural and synthetic polymers based on their source. Each of its type is again divided into organic and inorganic. Polymers are also classified on the basis of types of monomers. Similar monomers combine forming homopolymer. Different monomers combine forming copolymer. Structure of polymer. Based on structure, there are linear, branched and cross-linked polymers. Tacticity. Based on the orientation of the functional group of the polymer chain, there are isotactic, syndiotactic, and atactic polymer. Mode of synthesis. Polymer synthesis can take place in various ways like bulk, solution, suspension, and emulsion polymerization. Chain. With respect to atom in the main chain, it is classified as homochain and heterochain polymers. Degree of polymerization, dp. The number of repeated monomers present in a polymer chain is called the degree of polymerization. Now we can say dp is the molecular weight of polymer chain divided by molecular weight of repeating monomer. dPn is xn equal to average molecular weight divided by molecular weight of the monomer unit. Observe the example given. In this example, 5 repeating units are present in the polymer chain. Hence, the degree of polymerization is 5. What are oligomers and high polymers? Oligomers. Polymers that have low degree of polymerization are called as oligomers. They have the molecular weight ranging from 500 to 5000. High polymers. Polymers that have high degree of polymerization are called as high polymers. Their molecular weight ranges from 10,000 to 2 lakhs. Polymers are macromolecules formed by the repeated linking of a large number of small molecules called monomers. Monomer is a micromolecule. Polymerization is the process in which a large number of small molecules combine to give a macromolecule with or without elimination of small molecules like H2O, HCl, etc. Addition or chain growth polymerization, condensation or step growth polymerization, and copolymerization are the different types of polymerization. Polymers are classified into natural polymers and synthetic polymers. Polymers are also classified on the basis of types of monomers, structure of polymers, tacticity or molecular force, mode of synthesis, sequence of synthesis, and on main chain like homochain or heterochain. Degree of polymerization is the number of repeated monomers present in a polymer chain.